Hello student, today I am discuss the topic orbital speed and time period of revolution of सैटेलाइट। तो आज का ये टॉपिक है बच्चों, आपको बताएंगे कि व्हाट इज द ऑर्बिटल वेलोसिटी और टाइम पीरियड ऑफ सैटेलाइट का फार्मूला क्या होता है। इसको डिस्कस करने से पहले आपको बता दें कि जो मेरा चैनल है स्टडी फिजिक्स बाय DN त्रिपाठी, उस चैनल को एक बार जरूर आप सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। अब बात करते हैं ऑर्बिटल स्पीड। सपोज दैट दिस इज द अर्थ, कंसीडर इट्स रेडियस इज RE, mass of earth is m। suppose any satellite of mass small m is are situated small h distance from the earth's surface, and this is the revolve around the earth with the speed v0। ये रहा डायग्राम। सपोज दिस इज द अर्थ, radius of earth is RE, radius of earth RE। suppose any satellite of mass small m is revolve with speed v0 at the height from the surface is small h। Already you know that between the satellite and mass of the earth, gravitational force between the satellite and earth is acting Fg is equal to Gme m upon r square। Let small r is equal to RE plus h। This is the consider small r, it means small r is equal to RE plus h। Between the gravitational force satellite and mass of earth, Fg is equal to Gme m upon r square। This gravitational force provide centripetal force to the satellite। Fc is equal to mv naught square upon r। Since the gravitational force is provide centripetal force, in this case Fg is equal to Fc। In this case, what is this? Gravitational force G MEM upon r square, this is equal to centripetal force mv naught square upon r। Small r is cancelled out and small m is also cut out। Now in this case, this implies v naught square is equal to Gme upon r। but small r is equal to re plus h. Small r is equal to re plus h. स्मॉल r की वैल्यू क्या है? re plus h. So b naught square is equal to gme re plus h. This implies b naught is equal to under root gme upon re plus h. But already you know that what is the relation between small g and capital G, since small g is equal to gme upon re square. So this implies in this case gme is equal to gre square. gre square. Am I right? Now putting the value of gme from gme, b naught is equal to under root gre square upon re plus h. re स्क्वायर है तो ये रूट से बाहर होगा तो आपका हो जाएगा re अंडर रूट g अपान re प्लस h. re प्लस h. This is the formula of orbital speed of satellite. B naught denoted orbital speed of satellite. From this equation it is clear the orbital speed of satellite not depend the mass of satellite, only depend height of satellite. ये क्लियर है. पूछा जाता है कि जो ऑर्बिटल स्पीड ऑफ सैटेलाइट है क्या मास पे डिपेंड करता है. तो फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन इट इज क्लियर, इट इज नॉट डिपेंड द मास ऑफ सैटेलाइट, ओनली डिपेंड द हाइट ऑफ सैटेलाइट. तो फार्मूला क्या है? ऑर्बिटल स्पीड ऑफ सैटेलाइट b naught is equal to re under root g re plus h. Now I am going to discuss what is the time period of satellite. What is the time period of satellite? Next heading, what is the time period of satellite? Time period of satellite. Suppose this is the denoted by capital T. You know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Now in this case time is equal to distance upon speed. Consider what is the time period. It means the satellite revolve one round. The time taken is known as time period of satellite. So in this case the time period of satellite T is equal to total distance revolve around the earth is 2 pi small r, and what is the orbital speed? That is b naught. Am I right? In this case T is equal to 2 pi, and what is the small r? re plus h upon b naught. Now putting the value of b naught. What is the b naught? Already discussed. b naught is the speed of satellite, and what is the value of b naught? Already I am find under root gme upon re plus h. Now simplify, since small g is equal to GME upon RE square. In this case, GME is equal to GRE square. Now B naught is equal to B naught under root GRE square upon RE plus H. So putting the value of B naught, what is the T? T is equal to 2 pi RE plus H, and what is B naught? That is under root GRE square upon RE plus H. So this is the formula of time period of satellite. Thank you.